got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
Hey loves, it's Keicie right here, and I'm back today with another unboxing, and it's the LashyBox collection. Well, I don't think it's called a collection. It's the LashyBox. I think I got drama. So, I'm super excited to open this box and tell you guys all about it. So let's give you guys some back information on this LashyBox unboxing. So I got it from a LashyBox giveaway, and I'm looking over here, so that's where my laptop is. So I'm sorry guys if I'm not focused, because you know we here. Okay, over here it's just a few easy steps to subscribe to this box. I got the drama box. It is the lover of bold dramatic lashes. It's here. Each box contains 3 to 4 lashes for only $13.99, and I paid for these boxes with my own money, cha-ching. So it's actually coming out of my own pocket. So all of my unboxings and all of my, what's the word I'm looking for, reviews are coming from me. So let's get back into it. It's a dramatic 22 millimeters to 28 millimeters mink, false mink, 3
Guys, what is going on with me today? $3D? Oh God.
Just $12.99 a month. Each pair will be dramatic in their own way, and we will always include at least one pair of 22 millimeters or 28 millimeters mink or fox lashes. All the lashes, they say, are premium quality and reusable. Okay. So this box ranged from $12.99 to $69.99 depending on what you're getting. And you get maybe 3 to 4 lashes, maybe a makeup tool and a lash tool or some eyeshadow. I'm not really sure. Like I said, it's my first time doing the unboxing, my first time opening up this box. So let's get into it. So I misplaced my box cutter, but I do have a pair of handy dandy scissors. So let's open it. Ooh, isn't that box cute though? I just love the cuteness of this box. I might just keep it. I'm a semi-hoarder, just a semi, and I like to keep stuff. So don't judge, don't judge. Ooh. Ooh, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So 1, oops, 2, 3. Oh, these are cute. 4 and 5 items. You get 5 items off the dramatic box, and I think they have like a subscription. You can get 3 boxes. One is the full size LashyBox, the LashyBox mini, and what I received today is the drama box. So my first pair of lashes is Princess Cosmetic Luxurious Beauty Lashes, and they are super cute, and I won't be trying them on today, but I will be opening them up and showing you guys how cute they are, because I already did my face. And if you guys would like to get this makeup, what is wrong with me today? If you guys would like to get this makeup look, I'll put the link down below, or up here, or up here, or here, or here. I don't know. I'll put it somewhere. And look at these lashes. They are super cute. They're long and very defiant. I don't think these are really... I don't think these are real, but they are very cute. I have to look up this site. All right, my next lashes is the Zola Lashes. Zola Lashes Premium 3D Mink Lashes. Reusable up to 30 times with proper care. So you guys be sure to wash and shampoo your lashes, just like you would wash and shampoo your hair. And distributed by Zola Lashes Company, ZolaLashes.com. Okay. Guys, my light is like really bright. Let me turn it over. Can you see? And these are really cute. I think these are the 3D mink glasses that they say you would get in every box. You get falsies and you'll get reals, and I think these are real, I want to say. Ooh, that's cute. Let's open it. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Oh, look at that lash. It's going to be so dramatic. It's going to be so pretty on me. I just know it, know it, know it. Why am I leaning like that? I'm in a car. Super cute. Those are cute. And I got 2 pair of lashes. Box 3, these silk lashes in Sassy. And I have one in Glam. So these are the original Boxy Lashes. One's in Sassy and one is in Glam. And both of them are super, super, super cute. This is more thick and divine. Guys, I'm so nervous. This is more silk and defiant. Looks really thick. It looks like it's been doubled. The lashes look like they've been doubled. And these are super cute. These are actually the ones that are in trend and, you know, that everyone's wearing where I'm from. Everyone has these thick, dramatic lashes with these spaces into them. And they've just been wearing them. And I think it's super cute that they're doing that. Because I haven't bought a pair yet. I don't like to follow trends. I like to stand out and do my own thing. I'm kind of weird and quirky like that. These are super cute. And then they also give you a LashyBox script lash adhesive. And I really don't use lash glue. Especially not the clear kind. Let's open it up a little bit. Let's give it a little. Yeah, it smells like a nail polish or something like that. It's white. They give you a decent amount of the polish. And it's also from LashyBox. This is also their lash. Oh yeah, it smells very rubbery. It says rubber, latex, water, fragrance, cellulose, gum, blah, 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 blah. They give you a nice amount. I've never really, you know what, let's try them on. Let's try them on. Let me take these off. Oh, no. I can't take them off. I'm not going to do that. But I'll make another video where I try them on. And these are very, very super, super cute. They give you some Zola Lashes. 2 lashes from their company. LashyBox. One's in Sassy and one's in Glam. Like I said, Glam is like off the rays here in Greenville, Ooh, I almost said right. Glam is like the trend that is going on now. I see a lot of people on Instagram, a lot of people on Facebook, Twitter. You know, when they post an image, this is the lash that they put on. The thick ones with the spaces. It's really, really cute. I can't wait to put them on, you guys. Look at this. So pretty. So pretty. And I like these as well. I really like the packaging. Princess Cosmetic. I really like the packaging of this. It's super, super pretty. Got it upside down again. Quirky. And it's rose-like. So cute. My favorite color is orange, but I don't know why I'm drawn to pink. Makeup. Oh. But pink is such a pretty, pretty color. And I love this box. And they give you 5 items in your LashyBox. And you guys know that lashes run $5 a piece. Lashes run $5 a piece. And these fancy YouTube gurus and people on Instagram, they are selling 1 pair of lash for $25 and maybe 1 pair of lash for $50. So I think this is kind of a deal. Well, it's really a deal. Very cute. You get 3 to 4 lashes and it's guaranteed to give you a mink 3D lash in every box every month. Did I drop something? Give me a second. Okay. Then they give you some eyelash glue. This is super, super important to use, but I really don't use lash glue. I'm not going to tell you guys what I do use, though. But it's a small box with some, it packs a lot of flavor. Small box, it packs a lot of flavor inside. So I will be keeping the box, and later I may do a try-on haul. Oh, it's here. Like I red. Super duper cute box. This is, once again, the dramatic box. There's also one called full size LashyBox and LashyBox Mini. The mini runs from $9 to $59, and the full-size LashyBox run from $13 to $99. But I paid $12.99 for this box, maybe $15. So you get 4 lashes and some lash clip video with a try-on haul. I want to have more lashes. I want to see the variety. I don't know if I should continue this subscription or not, but these are some super cute lashes. I have to decide which one to wear. I think I'm going to do the Zola Lashes, or I'm going to do Glam. They're really cute. Excuse my nails. I was about to go to the nail salon today, but I got lazy and came home. Yeah. Alright, you guys, it was fun meeting you. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and join the family. See you later in my next video. Bye.